back to my channel. Today I'm going to install the HKS filter for my RB25. The filter that I have is Apex. I'm gonna replace it to the HKS filter. Apex is it's a good brand as well. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just that I'm a big fan of HKS and they have awesome products, so I would like to have their products for my car. So let's go ahead and install the filter. It should be straightforward and easy. Before we take the filter off, let's turn the engine on and let's hear how it sounds. There you go. That's how an Apex filter sound like. So let's go ahead and start remove this filter. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to disconnect the pigtail. Alright, so here's a little button right here. Just press it down and pull it up. Once you hear the little click, pull it out. Sometimes you have to wiggle it. And very important that these plastic, it gets old and brittle. It will crack. But I replaced this one when I purchased the car. I was having some idle issue, so it happened to be the pigtail, because the factory one, it has a lot of corrosion buildup. So I went and purchased a pigtail. So it's pretty straightforward. It's only 4 wires, so it's easy. So anyway, so once you disconnect that, unplug it, and then go ahead and get a flathead and take this clamp off. All right. Alright, just like that. Pretty straightforward. And then it has these bolts right here. 4 bolts. Alright, so we're going to remove that. I forgot to mention, these are 10mm bolt. So go ahead and take those bolts out. Once you got the filter out, separated from the master airflow, and then also just gotta be careful, because these gaskets on the master airflow, they will crack. This one is cracked already. But anyways, luckily that I purchased a universal a MAF adapter to be compatible to my HKS filter, and also it comes with a gasket as well too, and make sure that it fits. All right, that's all it is. Okay, so at this point we're gonna install this adapter to the filter and then connect to the MAF, and then just plug it back to the funnel, and then, you know, tighten everything up. It should be easy. So once you install the master airflow adapter, just remember to install the gasket that comes with it, or else it will not fit properly and you might have some air leaking. Alright, and just be sure that put the bolts and nuts, and luckily that I had some extras 3-inch hose clamp, and so at this point is ready to install. And also this master airflow, it has a little directional. Make sure the flow is facing that way. So we're just gonna go ahead and install. Just like that. And then just go ahead and tighten it. Just like that. Then remember, put your plug back on. Voila. So what we're going to do is we're going to start the engine and let's listen to the sounds. There you have it, HKS filter, and that's how it sounds like. It's very similar to the Apex. With the HKS filter, it's slightly louder, and overall I like it. Like I said, I'm a big fan of HKS, and especially for this filter here. It's very rare, and it's very hard to find rare parts, if you guys know what I mean. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video here, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I have big plans coming up, and just stick around.